Hi everyone, it's DEPHEMEREMBER 2024 and I can't wait to kick things off. We start this week by using altered playing cards and antique keys to spark our junk journal creativity. Let's go and unlock some inspiration together. Welcome to the first week of DEPHEMEREMBER. If you are new here, DEPHEMEREMBER is an annual challenge hosted by Luise and 49 Dragonfly. And of course, I will link everything in the description below so that you can find it. I have made this junk journal before. It's not specifically for DEPHEMEREMBER. It is a gift for somebody so she can capture her dreams in it. And I hope that the ephemera will fill this junk journal nicely. Barbara from 49 Dragonfly and Luise collected some papers for this. Of course, because I'm using my journal, I'm not using the papers, but I decided to print out one of Luise digital paper pack because I find it gorgeous. I really love it. Like all the papers are gorgeous. Check out Barbara's as well. And I thought if I'm using these digital papers throughout my ephemera, throughout December, it makes it nicely cohesive to fill in my junk journal. Okay, so let's jump right in. Let's start with the playing card. Let's start altering the playing card. I thought I want to cut out the middle of the playing card. I think I'm using the clubs. Yeah, I think I like the clubs a little bit more than the heart. And here to cut out the middle, to cut in a little window. When you do this and you use your craft knife, please be careful and don't do it the way I did it with this really long blade. And here, this is a tea bag. I dried tea bags. And I thought I will alter this playing card using a little bit of Mod Podge and glue the tea bag straight on it. So it's important that when you use Mod Podge, that you have it below and on top of it, that you really press it down so that the glue sticks everywhere. And then, just cutting this little bit off. Here I prepared Luise's paper. I thought I like to fussy cut this flowerish ornament on the back. And maybe that's what I do. But then on the other side, I think I tear around it, and then I can take a little bit of oxide ink around it and see how that looks like. I often love the rough edges when I do this. I find it fits nicely to the altered playing card, but in saying that, it takes up a huge amount of space. It really nearly covers up the entire card, like the playing card. I think now I go back to my original idea with the fussy cutting, that it's more delicate around it. Yeah, I think I like it. I like it more. And I thought I like this little boy on there, but it's definitely my fussy cutting day because I don't like the white border around him. I really would like to have it off, putting a little bit of the oxide ink around it so it fits nicer to this old antique look. And then I thought I'm using a piece of coffee dyed paper and will fold it back and forth so I have like a little folded booklet, like an accordion folded little booklet. You can find it on the top. I have a video if you want to know more about coffee dyeing paper. Like there's a video below, and I will also link it in the description. But here, now I need to think about how I want to attach it to the playing card, because with the dyed tea bag you can see through, but I don't think I would like the little boy behind it or this. I think I like to have it more on the top. Yeah, but then how to attach that one here on the side, or I think I cover the playing card, and yes, I will cut a hole in it the same size like the playing card, so that it's that I have a frame, and so yeah, I can glue this on top, and when there's then enough writing space in this little booklet, and it might even look really nicely that you can peek through, that you can see bits and pieces of the handwriting through the window that is covered by the dried tea bag. Here I'm using my bone folder to really press it down so that it is really stable. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I really like it. And now it's really, as I said, it's really my fussy cutting day. I really would like to have it even more cut out. I like the altered playing card in the back, and I think I would like to see as much as possible of the tea bag and the little window peeking through. Yeah, a little bit of Distress Oxide ink so that it is fitting with the brown shading to this card, and then a little boy, I think, on top. Yeah, I think I like it that way. Yep, just need to make sure that I glue everything down, but with this tiny nozzle here, that shouldn't be a problem. It's just normal PVA glue that I'm using, and to attach it here on the side, just need to be careful because it's so, these little stems, and so they are so thin, and it everything, like I always get glue on my fingers. And so, do you know this? Like when you do this wet gluing, that everything afterwards is on your fingers, and you have like this film of fingers. And when I then use Distress Oxide ink on top of it, then they turn into a little bit brown on the tip. So, but yeah, it's easy to wash off, so not a problem. But yeah, here it is. I think I really like that one, but now the prompt of the key is still missing, so I think I will just add the key here at the bottom and just glue it with some art glitter glue, because with the metal little key, otherwise I think it will not stick to the playing card, but with the art glitter glue, such a strong glue, I think that should work nicely. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Here you have a close-up. Oh, I like the little boy. He's so cute. He's so cute. And yeah, here you can open it up, and then enough writing space also on the back. And now I just have to find a nice spot in my junk journal to see where it fits. Here's my floating booklet, and I think that's a good page here. Like color wise, it fits really nicely to this, and when I clip it around here, yeah, I think that's a good place. Using this tiny little gold paper clip. Oh yes. Wow, that is our first week, or now our first day. And I hope you enjoyed it and will join me with your own creation, or will join all of us, like especially with this DEPHEMEREMBER challenge. And yes, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.